Skills, Lecture 1, Unit 1.1. Before we start studying communication skills, we need to understand what is communication, what is meant by communication. If we say communication, a communication is actually a transfer of knowledge from one person to another, and that knowledge needs to be meaningful. A communication can be defined as something as a message that you are giving or receiving, or you are exchanging information, opinion, or idea. This exchange of communication can be through writing, it can be through speeches, or it can be through any pictures as well. But the main idea is that your transfer, whatever the information that you are transferring, needs to be meaningful. It needs to have a purpose why you are sending that particular message, and it needs to be understood by the recipient as well. Communication is a two-way process. You cannot keep saying something, communicating something, but the other person is not understanding. That means that your communication is not complete. For the communication to be complete, you need to transfer your information, and the other person needs to understand the message as well. If we talk about communication, there are many benefits of effective communication. The first thing is that because of effective communication, your decision-making skills and your problem-solving skills become strong. You are able to take decisions, you are able to solve the problem if you communicate with others. You become more productive in what you are doing. You are able to persuade the other person. If you use effective communication, you will be able to convince the other person, you will have a better work culture. If you have a very good work culture, if you have a good communication with your colleagues, you will have good professional skills and you will be successful. Along with that, if you are communicating effectively, you can get proper feedback and you can enhance your work as well. So, how do we develop your communication? The first thing is that you need to define your goals and expectations. You need to clearly understand what are you trying to transfer, what information are you trying to give to the other person. You need to clearly deliver your message. You cannot have confusing ideas. You need to understand that how you are going to use your medium.